Being sick constantly is exhausting. You miss work, you miss workouts, you miss life. Working in the schools, I'm surrounded by sneezes, coughs, and germs every single day. But since adding just a few natural boosters to my routine, I haven't had to call off work once. Today, I'm going to share exactly what I take, how I take it, and why it works, so you can protect yourself too. Catching every bug going around is frustrating. Sometimes it feels like no matter how much you sleep or how healthy you eat, you still get sick. I used to feel that way too, but now I have a simple system that keeps my immune system strong. And the best part is, it doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. First up is black seed oil. This one has been called the prophet's remedy for centuries, and modern research shows it helps reduce inflammation and supports your immune system. Now, here's how I use it. I don't take it every day. I save it for when I feel something coming on, like a sore throat or a little congestion. When that happens, I take 1 spoonful a day until the symptoms go away. You can mix it into tea if you'd like, but the taste is honestly not very good. Rather than sipping it for hours, I like to just take the spoonful and chase it with a shot of my homemade juice, which we'll talk about next. That way, it's quick and effective. My second go-to is a juice shot I make with ginger, turmeric, lemon, and orange. This one is super simple, powerful, and cheap to make. You've got a few options depending on what you have at home. If you don't mind a thicker texture, you can just blend it and drink it that way. If you want it smoother, but you don't want to buy a whole new appliance, you can blend it and strain it through a milk bag. Pro tip, make sure you wear gloves when you strain it, unless you want bright orange hands from the turmeric. Also be careful of countertops and what you choose to wash the items with. Eventually, I invested in a cold press juicer. For me, this was worth it because when I feel something coming on, I want to make this shot in less than 5 minutes, and the cold press juicer makes this super easy. You throw the ginger and turmeric in with the peel still on, slice off the peel from the lemon and the orange, and cut it up, and you're done in less than 5 minutes. This little combo gives you anti-inflammatory power from the ginger and turmeric, plus vitamin C from the lemon and orange. It's also my favorite way to chase down that spoonful of black seed oil, and my favorite way to start the morning when I feel just a little bit under the weather. Last up is the sea moss. This one I take daily. It's rich in over 90 minerals that your body needs and has huge support for both your immune systems and your thyroid. But quality really matters here. If you buy cheap, flavored gels, you're not getting the real benefits. High quality sea moss doesn't taste great in the liquid or gel form. And honestly, that's how you know it's real. So here's what I do. I take capsules every day for maintenance. They're easy, no taste, and I don't even have to think about it. Then, if I feel like I need an immune boost, I'll add in the liquid or gel. Yes, sea moss is the most expensive thing on my list, but I see it as an investment in myself. Once I started taking it consistently, I've been able to work around germy kids every single day without missing a single day of work. Even when I feel something coming on, it only lasts 2 to 3 days with minimal symptoms for sicknesses that would have taken me out for 1 to 2 weeks. And finally, vitamin C. I use a high-potency vitamin C from Culture for Good. It's definitely pricier than the powders you see at the drugstore, but it's worth it. I take 1 daily for maintenance, and if I'm starting to feel sick, I'll take 3 in a day. That extra boost makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about cost. Black seed oil is affordable, and you only need it when you feel something coming on. You can buy one at the store and keep it in the cupboard just in case, so you're ready when you start to feel that sore throat. Ginger, turmeric, lemon, and orange juice, that's pennies per serving. And you can pick those up on your way home if you feel a dip in your energy or a little tickle in the back of your throat. Sea moss is the priciest thing, but again, it's an investment in your long-term health. And while my vitamin C is a little bit more expensive, I'd rather pay for prevention than a doctor's visit. Truth is, protecting your health doesn't have to be out of reach. These tools are accessible and they've worked for me. So here's the recap. Black seed oil when you feel that first tickle in your throat or a little congestion. Sea moss daily with capsules for easy maintenance and a liquid or gel for extra boost. A quick ginger, turmeric, lemon, and orange juice shot you can make at home. And high-potency vitamin C daily with extra when you need it. This combination has kept me healthy in one of the germiest environments you can imagine, public schools. And I haven't had to call off once. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. And if this helped you, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and follow button. Share it with someone who always seems to be catching that next bug. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.